Dixon, California. Have you ever pondered how your flyers are reaching the right doors? Or if your marketing material is landing in the hands of your target market or customer? Turn your uncertainties into certainties with Take One Marketing. Imagine a world where every time your flyers touch a door, you're the first to know. Picture receiving a text and an email link showcasing your distribution live, in real time. That's the reality with Take One Marketing's live GPS tracking. You won't just believe your marketing is working, you'll see it in action. You'll know it's been executed professionally, comprehensively, and most importantly, effectively. Curious about the number of homes in a specific area or neighborhood? With our advanced housing count software, we eliminate the guesswork. We provide the answers, ensuring complete and transparent distribution. This, when paired with our innovative route-making software, brings an unmatched precision to flyer distribution. It's not a shot in the dark, it's a targeted strike. But what if you need flyers and don't know where to start? We've got you. Our team of experienced graphic designers are ready to create top-notch marketing materials that truly represent your brand. And once that's done, our full-service printing takes over. We'll bring your vision to life in the most vibrant and compelling way. Finally, we deliver, not just in the literal sense of distributing your flyers, but in living up to our promise. With over 17 years in the business, we've mastered the art of door-to-door flyer distribution. We're not just a service, we're a solution. Choose Take One Marketing. Choose transparency, precision, and proven results. We don't just deliver flyers, we deliver peace of mind. Consider us your superior alternative to traditional advertising. We design, we print, we deliver. With Take One Marketing, your marketing success is just a flyer away.